Did you know stress can be as contagious as a cold? Now that's a compelling question to start us off, isn't it? It might sound a bit far-fetched, but stress, much like that pesky winter sniffle, can indeed be passed on from person to person. We're not talking about germs or viruses here, but something a touch more subtle: emotional contagion. It's a curious phenomenon where one person's emotions and related behaviors directly trigger similar emotions and behaviors in others. Imagine this: your colleague has been burning the midnight oil, juggling deadlines, and is, understandably, a tad stressed. You share a coffee break, a chat, and unbeknownst to you, a dose of their stress. This invisible transfer is thanks to something called mirror neurons. These nifty little brain cells reflect back emotions we perceive in others, effectively making us emotional mimics. So it seems we might catch stress just as easily as we catch a cold. But how exactly does this stress transmission occur, you may ask? Well, the answer lies in the intriguing science of stress contagion. Our brains, remarkable as they are wired to pick up on the stress of others around us. This happens primarily through non-verbal cues, the silent signals we all send out. We're talking about body language, tone of voice, facial expressions, the whole gamut. Now let's talk about empathy. You see, empathy isn't just about understanding the feelings of others. It can also make us more susceptible to their stress. Those with higher levels of empathy often absorb the emotions of those around them, stress included. It's like their emotional radar is turned up to 11. This means that when your colleague is pulling their hair out over a deadline, or your friend is fretting about a date, your brain is picking up on these stress signals and responding in kind. So, we're not just imagining it, we really can catch stress from others. Now that we understand the contagion, how do we protect ourselves from catching stress? First and foremost, maintaining a positive outlook is a powerful shield. It's like the umbrella that keeps the rain of stress from soaking your spirit. Practice mindfulness. Stay present in the moment instead of worrying about the past or future. This can help you to stay centered and calm no matter what storm is brewing around you. Setting emotional boundaries is another effective method. Just as you wouldn't let someone dump a pile of garbage in your living room, don't let them dump their stress onto you. And of course, self-care is crucial. Regular exercise, adequate sleep, and a nutritious diet are all important parts of the stress management toolkit. Think of them as your stress-busting superheroes, ready to swoop in and save the day. Remember, while we might not be able to control the stress around us, we can control how we react to it.